Your favorite sandwich is coming to you on some chicken wings. Smoked peanut butter and jelly chicken wings. Starting with the chicken wings, adding my favorite barbecue seasoning. We're going to smoke them for about an hour and a half. And then we're going to fry them in some peanut oil until they're super crispy and make them super delicious. Next, we're going to have some butter, some garlic, some peanut butter, some jelly, some soy sauce, Thai chili sauce, and honey. Mix that all together, toss them on the wings, top it with some chopped peanuts and scallions, and we're ready to go. Find this whole recipe on my blog. Cheers!